Good morning. I'm Austin Riddell. This is my 1942 Ford GPW. It was built up in Chester, Pennsylvania, and it was built on June 10th, 1942. It was in the service until 46 when it was surplused to a Navy veteran in Virginia. It spent about 40 years up in Virginia, 40 or 50 years actually in Virginia until I bought it, and I did a complete restore, mechanical restore on this Jeep, and it's been really good to me. I've had it for about 3 years now. It definitely shows a lot of the curves in the body. I wanted to keep a lot of that original look to it. Everything is pretty much original in this Jeep except for seals, common wear items, wiring harness, and I have the original tags here, brass tags from made by Ford. You can see actually on there, yeah, it's June 18th actually, 1942. My bad on that on the first part, but yeah, right there it's June 18th, 1942, those original tags. I have the original paperwork. During its service, obviously it was originally made in Pennsylvania, and then it had made it down to Camp McCain, Mississippi, and then after it left Camp McCain, Mississippi, it made its way up to Virginia. It was sold surplus to that Navy veteran. Some of the accessories I have on here, I have a M2HB made by J&C Manufacturing out in Oregon. Beautiful gun, does very nice work. Nice touch to the actual Jeep. It's correct with period correct markings. Some of the other accessories I have on here, got a IBM M1Carbide up in here in this bag, and it fits nicely up in this rifle rack. You can also fit a Garand M1903, M1917. It's got the original engine in it, which is a L134 made by Ford. And it produces, I believe, 60 horsepower. The top speed on this vehicle really varies on the member you're talking to. I think the speedometer goes to 60, but I've clocked it in on my phone at 63, which is pretty incredible for 80-year-old technology. It's really amazing, just the amount of technological advances they had during this period. Just all driven from the wartime period of technological upgrades during that time, and it's just really impressive what these machines are really capable of still to this day, as far as off-roading capability. And another accessory I have on here is a front tandem tow bar. These were originally designed so that GIs could hook this up to another running vehicle, so they didn't have to have so many GIs moving around vehicles. And also, if your vehicle was disabled, you would have a quick way to get this piece of equipment out of either a hostile area or just a not very comfortable area. But that tows nicely behind vehicles, and it's a very nice accessory to have. And the nice thing is about this is you may not have AC, but you can throw down your windshield and you got all the AC you need. It's all depending on how far you put your foot down to the floor. But it's a great piece of machinery, and I believe this is my second time coming up here up to Athens with the Jeep. So excited to take it off-road and shoot a gun and shoot some other guns and just have some fun and enjoy it. It's really a pleasure being able to restore this, and I don't think I could ever sell it. I actually have on the hood here, My grandfather was in the service, and I got a couple pictures of him with Jeeps during the service. He was a U.S. Army during World War II. He's Army Corps of Engineers, and actually got it's actually one of the hood numbers from one of the Jeeps in his photos. So just as a memory, I stenciled those numbers on there just as a memory for him. It's kind of a tribute. So, but I do have all the original paperwork with the actual original registration numbers, but I think this is a little bit more important to me than that. So, but it's great Jeep, never let me down, and if it does let me down, I got everything I need in the back to get me out of trouble. So it's a great rig, and if you don't have one, get one. They're definitely worth it. So other than that, it was nice being able to give you a little short story on my Ford GPW, and I appreciate it. Thank you.